Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the logical mathematical sequence. 52 is equal to 25. Next, 34 is equal to 81. Next, 43 is equal to 64. Find the value of sequence 25. In number 52, 2 is the digit in units place and 5 is in tens place. Units place digit is used as a power of tens place digit. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. In number 34, 4 is the units place digit and 3 is the tens place digit. Units place digit used as a power. 3 raised to the power of 4. Multiplication of 3 4 times is equal to, we get answer 81. Number 43, 3 is the unit place digit used as a power of 4. 4 raised to the power of 3. Multiplication of 4 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर वी गेट आंसर 64. Number 25. Units place digit is used as power. 2 raised to the power of 5. 5 times multiplication of number 2 is equal to 32. 32 is the answer of this sequence. 25 is equal to 32. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. प्रेस द बेल आयकॉन.